Hi everyone, I'm Tinalee, the founder of Tinalee Bot. So Tinalee Bot is a Telegram bot that can help you manage your group. It has basic functionalities like member verification and ban and unmute users, setting custom roles for each group member, and it has some interesting AI comments. So here are the top 5 reasons why you should install Tinalee Bot in your group now. The first one is that your group member will play with the AI functions without any incentive. So you don't have to airdrop them or give them token. They will just message around with the AI functions and chat with AI. And it will make your group more active. The second reason is that with the member level up system, you can build community without installing any other tools. It's just like in Discord. So it's the best way for your event to contribution to airdrop. And the task system will come later in 2024. You can also use that to airdrop tokens to certain members, with, for example, for members that are above level 3 or level 5. The third reason is that Tinalee Bot will get you group analysis report every day and analysis report every hour, and it might even help some researchers or traders to manage their portfolios based on the trending keywords. The fourth reason is right after you onboard the Tinalee Bot, you can detect all bad bot accounts and delete all of them. The blacklist will be more accurate day by day, like who's call, because we arrange the blacklist with all group admin. And finally, the Tina token airdrop is in calculation from now. Thank you.